Hello and welcome to Master Mathematics. I'm Mr. A, and in this video we are going to be covering absolute value with addition and subtraction. So absolute value is a grouping symbol. So because of that, you have to remember that it's the first step in your order of operations. So what we're going to be doing in these four examples here is we're going to be finding the absolute value of the numbers and then performing the operation that's listed. So we have four examples here. So in the first one, and we're going to go through this one right now, we've got the absolute value of 76 plus the absolute value of 43. And in all of these, we're going to be very methodical in how we approach it because, again, it's good to have processes in place when we're talking about and when you're doing math. And you want to stick to those processes first. So as I was saying, you have to do the absolute value first because it's absolute value, again, those bars, that is a grouping sign. So in number one, and we work, of course, left to right here. In number one, we're going to look for the absolute value of 76 first, which is 76. So I'm just writing 76 here. I'm going to bring down my addition sign because we are adding. And then the absolute value of 43, which is 43. If you don't remember, absolute value is the distance a number is from 0. So you want to really think of a number line and how many spaces or numbers are in between that number and 0. So that's how you get your answer there. Now we're just going to add 76 plus 43 is 119. So your answer to the original equation there is 119. In number two, it's the absolute value of 17 minus the absolute value of 11. Again, working left to right, absolute value of 17 is 17. We're going to bring down our subtraction sign, and the absolute value of 11 is 11. All right, so we have 17 minus 11 equals, can't forget about that equal sign, equals 6. Okay, so your answer there is 6. Now in numbers 3 and 4, we're going to get some negative signs inside the absolute value. So very important to make sure that, again, we're going through this methodically and you're following the steps because it can get tricky here. So number 3, the absolute value of negative 21 plus the absolute value of 51. So the absolute value of negative 21 is 21. We're going to bring down that addition sign. And the absolute value of 51 is 51, leaving us with an answer of 72 after we add 21 and 51. And then finally, in number 4, the absolute value of negative 63 minus the absolute value of negative 30. So you're probably familiar with two negatives equal a positive, but this isn't the case in this one. And the reason for that is, again, absolute value is a grouping sign. So you have to solve that first. And as you can see in these other equations, we've just been bringing the sign down. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go left to right. We're going to bring the sign down. Okay? So we have the absolute value of negative 63 is 63. And we're going to bring down that subtraction sign. And the absolute value of negative 30 is 30. All right, so then you just do your subtraction. 63 minus 30 is 33. All right, and that is all I have for you in this video with absolute value with addition and subtraction. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, please click the like button. Please subscribe to the Master Mathematics channel if you have not yet. And check out the link in the description to our Patreon page. On there, you'll find exclusive videos and along with some worksheets, some enrichment content, and some other items to help you keep your math skills sharp. Once again, I'm Mr. A, and this is Master Mathematics.